Hello guys, so today pag-uusapan natin is ano ba dapat yung kainin mo para mag-build ng muscle, okay? What should you eat to build muscle, muscle building, nutrition. So ito yung mga essential or kailangan mo to build muscle. So I hope na nag-strength training ka na or doing some resistance training and ito yung kapartner ng workouts na ginagawa mo para ma-maximize yung muscle building. So let's start. So common nutrition mistakes beginners make. So number 1 is not eating enough calories. Number 2, low protein intake. And number 3, too much junk foods. So, ito yung 3 things you need to build muscle with food. Number 1 is slight calorie surplus. Yung kailangan natin dito is mag-i-increase ka ng bahagya sa kinakain mo. And pag nag-increase ka, mas marami yung nutrition na makukuha ng katawan mo na nagli-lead naman sa pagtulong sa pag-build ng muscle. Dahil nga sobra yung kinain mo. Number 2, high protein diet. Alam naman natin na mahalaga yung protein kung gusto mong mag-build ng muscle. Kaya obligadong kasama yung protein sa diet mo. And number 3, quality foods. Sa quality foods, kailangan mo lang piliin kung ano yung mga pagkain na healthy, hindi yung empty calories. Yung sinasabi kong mga empty calories is yun nga ang mga junk foods. Dito naman sa quality foods, pipili tayo ng mas healthier alternatives na merong nutrients and vitamins. So, best muscle building foods. Protein is equal to fuel for muscle growth. Ito nga sinasabi ko kanina na obligado kang kumain ng protein kung gusto mong mag-gain ng muscle. So, nakalagay dito, protein provides the amino acids necessary for muscle tissue, repair, and growth. So, ito yung mga top protein foods na kailangan mong kainin. So, beef, fish, eggs, and chicken. So, pwedeng umikot dito yung protein sources mo. So, kung nagpupunta ka na sa gym, ito yung dapat mo i-hit. 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So, kung 150 pounds ka, 150 grams of protein yung kailangan mong i-hit per day. Pero nagdidepende ito kung ano yung goal mo. Calorie surplus. So, ito nga, sa calorie surplus, mag-a-add ka ng slight or 200 to 300 extra calories to your maintenance calories. Yung purpose nito is magkakaroon ka ng extra nutrients sa katawan na nakakatulong para pabilisin yung muscle building process mo. And lastly, if you don't want to use food scale, use the plate method. So, yung plate method na sinasabi dito is ito. Half or 1/4 ng plato mo is dapat vegetables. And for your carbohydrates, para sa fast energy is 1/4. And sa protein foods, 1/4 din. Kaya dapat, every meal dapat meron kang at least source ng protein para ma-maximize yung muscle building mo. And ma-maximize na rin yung meal mo para siguradong nahihit mo yung protein na kailangan ng katawan mo. So, tapos na tayo sa sample. So, ito naman yung example explanation. Food is equal to fuel for muscle growth. So, isipin mo na yung gym is parang sasakyan. And if wala kang proper na fuel or wala kang proper na nutrition, let's say kulang yung protein intake mo, hindi ka nakaka-calorie surplus, or hindi ka nag-i-strength training, or you're just lacking off, hindi gaganda yung result ng katawan mo. Kumbaga, hindi gaganda yung kotse ngayon. So, para umandar yung sasakyan, obligadong tama yung fuel na pinapasok mo. So, dito papasok ngayon yung high protein intake and slight calorie surplus. Then, isama na rin natin dito yung proper rest and recovery. So, kung palagi mo nahihit mo naman yung protein intake mo, wala kang dapat ipag-alala. So, just to recap, slight calorie surplus, ito yung pag-increase ng 200 to 300 calories para magkaroon ng extra nutrients yung katawan mo to build muscle. Number 2, high protein diet. Kailangan nating i-hit yung 1 grams per pound of body weight sa muscle mo. So, kung 150 pounds ka, 150 grams ng protein yung i-hit mo. And number 3, best muscle building foods. Diyan papasok yung chicken, eggs, fish, and beef. And lastly, food is fuel. Natutunan nga natin kanina na kailangan mong kumain ng tama para mag-grow yung muscle mo. So, eating right plus strength training is equal to muscle growth. So, kung puro strength training ka lang, kahit gano'n ka pa kasipag magbuhat, kung hindi ka naman kumakain ng tama, hindi mo ma-maximize yung pag-grow mo ng muscle. So, yun lang. This lesson is what should you eat to build muscle building nutrition. If you have any more questions, you can comment them below para mapag-usapan natin ito sa next videos. And kung nahihirapan ka pa rin at hindi mo pa rin alam kung paano ka magsisimula sa fitness journey mo, kindly check the link in the description below. Subscribe for more content like this.